Today, Dan and I will be competing to make slime in 15 minutes or less, and Anna will be judging this slime. So the loser has to do the other person's job for an entire day. But first, the spinny wheel. So we got a ton of themes on here. So I'm gonna go first. I just really do not want it to be Fortnite.
Oh, it's purple.
Purple? All right, purple. I'll take purple any day of the week.
Let's see what I get.
Oh my God.
Floof.
What does
that even mean?
The wheel has spoken.
Before we start, I gotta Google what floof means.
It's like a dog.
Slime and hair don't really go together. How
No, they don't.
To make it good. This is messed up.
The wheel has spoken. Put 15 minutes on the timer now, and we'll start in 3, 2, 1. We don't have the glue in the area where I'm looking for it.
The theme is floof. I don't really know how I'm gonna do that. I think my goal is to try to find something fuzzy that I can maybe put on top of the slime after it's already done. But in terms of charms and stuff like that, I don't know what I'm gonna put on this slime for floof. This is gonna be tough.
See, Dan's gonna be using clear glue, and I'm using white glue. It's just easier to work with.
I'm gonna start with charms, and I think I found the perfect one. Kind of looks like, you know, a stuffed animal. So we're gonna go with that. I got the worst topic for this. This is terrible.
I've already poured my glue. Now I just need to get some activator. We are just chilling right now. Dan is definitely gonna be doing my work for a day. Throw in some activator. I learned last time that you're not supposed to put that much activator in or else it's gonna get chunky. And my theme is so easy. It's just purple. So here we are. We have every color imaginable, and I'm just going with violet. This will be just so much easier. Let's throw some gel dye. Look at that, making it rain. The one concern that I have is that with the clear slime, it would really saturate with the dye, but because I'm using white, it obviously is lightening it up a bit, so that part will not look as nice. I can already see it's just not as dark, but it's still definitely purple. Someone tell me where Dan is. What is he doing?
You're hand mixing?
Yeah.
Sucker, I'm gonna use the mixer.
You don't get muscles like this by using machines.
While you're churning butter, I'm gonna be living in the modern ages and making it in the mixer.
This is actually coming out really good. My triceps right now are absolutely on fire.
Glue's done.
I just gotta need this, and I think I'm chilling. That is slime if I've ever seen some. It's just very underactivated.
Having fun over there?
I don't wanna hear it.
Yeah, you keep working hard out there. I'm gonna take a quick break. The perks of using the mixer.
You're gonna need some rest when you're doing my work.
We'll see about that.
If this video gets 2,500 likes, I will cover an entire slime with Orbeez.
It's not mixing fast enough. We're gonna have to put it into overdrive. Should add a color on the fly. I'm gonna go for like the sienna with a dash of yellow. Go for that like golden retriever look. See how it goes.
Very overactivated, but that sounds like slime to me.
What are you gonna do for the rest of the time? We're only about
I'm not done.
I don't know exactly what I'm doing.
I think some really cool looking glitter would make that slime look amazing. So here we have all the glitters. So many choices. Oh my goodness. That is perfect. I could waste all my time going through these shelves and trying to find a bunch of purple charms, but listen, we already have these pre-made ones. This is Blueberry Soda Cloud. Tell me that's like not perfect. Got all my goodies.
The slime sure has taken a long time to mix.
That's why I didn't use it.
See, I got the harder topic and I'm the less experienced slime maker.
I'm actually gonna upgrade my slime a bit. We got some microfloam.
Oh, you're going with foam?
That's what happens when you already have slime.
You know what, fine. I'm gonna add fake snow to mine.
All right.
Hopefully this fake snow makes it kind of like fur, you know? I'm taking the Easter Bunny's fur to use for my floof slime. It's gonna be the perfect way to top it off. Getting these hairs.
Guys, what is he doing?
Totally isn't gonna be gross.
Gotta top this off, make sure we gotta get all that excess off. And then our last thing. Oh, that's a little bit much.
So now it's time to take my slime out of the mixer and start decorating it.
Do you even have slime?
Yes, sir. And it's fully mixed.
Oh, wow, that actually surprisingly is.
I don't know about this color. Maybe used a little bit too much activator. Slightly rippy.
I did the same thing.
Not terrible though.
Mine's pretty bad.
I've seen you make worse.
Yeah, no, I've made worse.
That kind of looks like fur. Come on, look in the side.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Okay, now our secret sauce, the Easter Bunny fur.
I have to give you credit. I wouldn't have thought about doing
I
that.
had a little inspiration and a little help from Andrea. I can't speak on how well hair and slime go together. It's kind of nasty.
Yeah, about that.
But look, we save it with these cute little bears. How much time is left?
Literally like 10 seconds right now.
8 bears is good enough? That's fine. All right, hands off.
Mine have been off.
When you use the mixer, you get perfection, and I perfectly timed it.
Okay, valid. Yours has more of a story. Mine is just literally a color. Yours, at least, it's something.
Listen, if she doesn't give me creative points, then I think you have it as a lock. Let's see what she says, because I think you're gonna be doing my job next week.
Okay, buddy. All right, Anna, here is my slime, and the theme was purple.
I really love the glitter. It reminds me of like Amethyst Crunch a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I like that, but let me test it out. It feels kind of strange, not gonna lie. It feels like skin.
What?
Yeah, it feels like skin, like I'm touching someone's skin. That makes me kind of uncomfortable. The color is beautiful. Like, it's honestly really pretty, and I love that you put all of the little like foam.
Yeah, foam.
Like foam beads.
Yeah. Yes.
So that's really good.
Yes.
Has a good stretch. Okay, Christian. Oh, it's a little rippy. You lost some points.
Make a bubble with it.
That will be the ultimate
It sounds
test.
so good. That's a bubble. Look,
right.
it's squeezed. No. Did you hear that?
I'm gonna give you a 6.3.
I'll take a 6.3. Hand mixing slime in 15 minutes is not easy.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
It has a good jiggle too.
Okay, Anna, my theme was floof. Do you know what floof is?
Floof? Hair floof?
Kinda, yeah, like a fluffy dog kind of thing. that sort of
Okay,
thing.
that's super cute. I love that theme.
This is what I came up with.
Whoa, this looks like Cat in the Hat vibes. Is this real fur?
We could say that.
Ooh, it smells so bad. It smells like dirty dog.
Well, it smells like the Easter Bunny's sweat, probably.
Yeah, it smells literally like that. Let's get into it.
Get right in there. Slime mixed with
Ooh,
hair.
It's really hard.
It's a bit ambitious, maybe like a new texture or something.
Listen, I hate that rabbit suit. It traumatized me. You don't look like a real rabbit. So I have to say you already lost a lot of points for that.
I did not think about
The
that
smell
when I was harvesting the hair.
reminds me of those traumas, so I hate it. I do like the charms. The charms are so cute. This has to be like one of my favorite charms. It's so pretty, and I love that the little nose is a heart. Dan,
What?
this slime is so rippy. What is
Well.
this? This isn't slime.
We only had 15 minutes, so, you know, I might have miscalculated. I'm not the most experienced slime maker like Christian is.
You failed this one, Dan. It has hair that traumatizes me. The charms are cute, but I can't even play with the slime.
My theme was floof. I didn't know what else to do. That's all I had in mind.
All right. Let's rate the ASMR. Let's see.
It's not bad.
Ugh, makes me uncomfortable. This is not your best work. I'm gonna give this a 2.7.
Oh, you're right. It is a 2.7.
It smells so bad. I think Christian definitely beat you on this one. What is this? Sorry, I hate it. Good job for trying.
Well, since my purple slime won, Dan, you now have to do TikToks for an entire day.
I guess I'll get right on that.
And you will.